So welcome back. In this video we'll try to write a program that takes three numbers from the user and calculates or decides which is the largest among them. Okay, so we are going to write a program which finds the largest among three given numbers. Okay, so let's first create our file. So we need the code 5, right? So touch code5.c. okay, and now we open it up, right? Okay, so first, as always, we start with the comment. So code to find the largest among three given numbers, right? Okay, and the next line, the header files. So we need hash include stdio.h. So yeah, here stdio.h, and we start the main function. We open the bracket, we close the bracket. So here we need to accept three numbers from the user, right? So for that we need three variables. So let's say a comma b comma c, and we will have another variable called max, which will store the largest number. Okay, so I just say int max. Here I am going to before that I need to accept this value, so get these values from the user, right? So printf, enter the three numbers /n, and now I scan it. So I have three numbers, so %d %d and %d. Okay, and I store them to a, b and c, right? Okay, good. Now yeah, what I need to do, yeah, so I got the three numbers now. So let's create another variable max, which stores the maximum value, and for the time being let's just assume that the maximum value is a. Okay, and now we use the conditional or conditions, right? So I'll just check if max is less than b. Okay, so that means our so we have assigned the value of a to max, and if a is less than b, that's the meaning now. Let's say max should be equal to b, and if max less than c, we type max equal to c. Okay, and now we can just print the value, printf the maximum among, let's just print the numbers also for fun. So %d, %d, and the third number is the max. Okay, so that will be %d again, right? So here we have to give the values a comma b comma c comma and the max value, and now we can just return 0. Let's just run this code and see if there is any error, and after that I'll just explain the code. So here gcc code 5. Okay, there's no error, good. So I execute the executable. So the three numbers, let's say 152 and 89. Okay. Okay, so I didn't give the new line over here, so that's why the prompt came in the same line, but it was able to find the maximum number. Let's just edit the code and let's just add a new line character over here. Then let's run once more. So this time we'll give the second number as the largest. Okay, so let's say 10, 89 and 52. Okay, so again, even if I give for the largest number as b, it's printing the largest as b itself. I'll just run it once more with the first number as the largest. Okay, so 89, 85 and 21. Okay, so again, so I gave the largest number in all three positions and it was able to identify the largest among the numbers. Okay, so let's just have a look at what happened over here. So here you can see that what I'm doing is I'm assigning the value, or I'm assuming the value of a to be maximum. Okay, and then I'm just checking over here if a is less than b. So in that case it comes over here. Okay, so the maximum value will be assigned as b, and if this condition is true, okay, suppose for example, let's say this second case over here. Okay, so the initially the value 10 was assigned to the variable max and here in this condition it checks if 10 is less than 89. Okay, so that condition is true. Okay, so that what it does, it goes to this line and now 89 gets assigned to maximum value, or b gets assigned to max. And since this is not a else, okay, it's a another if condition. So after executing this block of code, it comes to this line anyway, right? And now it checks if 89 is less than 52, right? So here the third value was c was 52. So now it checks if 89 was less than 52, which is false. So in that case it goes over here directly. Okay, but suppose the first case, okay, the number c was the largest and b was greater than a also. So in that case what happens? So initially, so I'm talking about the example of 152 and 89. Okay, so in the initial case 1 is assigned as the maximum value and then we check if 1 is less than 52, which is true. Okay, so what the max gets the value of 52, right? And again it comes over here, so and it checks if 52 is less than 89, okay, which is again true. Okay, so in this particular case both these if conditions become true and finally the value of max get assigned to c. Okay, so there are different methods in which you can write this code. You can use if condition, if else conditions, etc. You don't need a third variable max, you can directly print over there, etc. There are many different possibilities. Okay, so I just used one of them. That's up to you to write the code you're on. I suggest that you try it out in a different manner or in a manner which you think would be much more easier. Okay, so yeah, with that we'll stop this video. Thank you.